Okay, for those who just watched the quick little bit I have on bitly.com and how to shorten down web addresses from a big long address down to this short bitly one, this is going to be the steps you would do if you need to install that onto your computer. For myself, the first thing I did do is I did go to bitly.com's website just to sign up with them. And I did a search, so it's bitly.com, and it'll pull you to a website that looks a lot like this one. To do the sign up, I would just simply click up on that, and then it'll pop to this page here where it has all kinds of amounts about prices. Scroll down the page until you find sign up for free here. When you click this, it's going to say, it'll either ask you to go and enter all your information, or you can sign up using Google. I signed up using Google, and I picked my school Google account. It's then going to come to a page saying, do you plan to use this for business, both, or personal? I strongly recommend picking personal, because if you pick either business or both, it's going to ask you all kinds of marketing questions that make absolutely no sense at all for school. So under the personal, it came up, it just said, hey, what is your name? I scrolled to the bottom of the page, and there's a little spot down there that says skip this, and you don't have to fill in your name and your other information. It's just going to be left alone with your Google sign up. After that was done, I then went to the Chrome store. So I typed in, and I'll actually type that in so people can see how I went there. Chrome Web Store. And then under the Chrome Web Store, I'm just clicking Google Chrome. And I want to find Bitly. So I'm going to type this in, B-I-T-L-Y, all together, and hit enter. And you can see right here, I've already installed this one. This is from bitly.com. If you look, there's some others with other people's names they've created. These may or may not be good Chrome extensions, but when I have a choice, I'm going to go with the company one unless I've had an awful lot of time to research it, because these have an opportunity to install something that's not going to work or may have some issues with your computer. So you simply say add to Chrome right here, and then it's going to appear with your Chrome extension right here, and you can just follow what we did prior to this. When you click on the Chrome extension, it may ask you to log in. You should look for the Google symbol, click on the Google symbol, and it's going to log you in with your school Google account. You don't have to worry about usernames and passwords then. Thank you, and I sure hope if you have any troubles with Bitly, please let me know. But I enjoy it, and I sure hope that some of you find it useful as well. Thank you.